Today, we are preparing a delicious and comforting village-style rice meal served with fresh pepper, fried eggs, sausage, and sardine. Our ingredients include tomatoes, salt, chili pepper, onions, garlic and ginger, sardines, eggs, cooking oil, sausages, rice, and beef. We set the fire and begin our cooking adventure. As always, we start by washing our hands before preparing the meal. We place a clean pot on the fire, allow it to heat up and pour in some cooking oil. We wash and slice the onions into a calabash. Next, we rinse the beef in clean water, then cut it into smaller pieces and set it aside. The sliced onions goes into the hot oil, followed by the beef. We stir everything together, cover the pot and allow the beef to fry until beautifully golden brown. After a few minutes, we uncover the pot and stir the beef again. Now, it's time to add the washed rice. We stir it well so it combines with the beef and onions. Water is added gradually as we continue stirring. We season the rice, stir everything together and cover the pot to cook. The rice is almost ready. We gently stir it. Sprinkle in a little more water, cover the pot with a clean napkin, then place the lid back on the steam perfectly. Next, we pour in the sardine oil, stir it evenly through the rice and cover once more. The rice is now perfectly cooked, so we take it off the fire. Now, a frying pan is placed on the fire. We crack the eggs into a small bowl. Add a little salt and whisk them well. A little oil goes into the pan and we fry the eggs until beautifully golden. Once ready, we remove them from the pan. More oil is added and the sausages are fried until nicely browned. While the sausages are frying, we wash the chili pepper, tomatoes, onions, garlic and ginger. We also wash our traditional earthenware bowl. The fresh chili pepper is placed into the bowl and grinded by hand. Next, we add the garlic and ginger and continue grinding until smooth. Some onions are added and grinded together with the pepper. A little salt goes in and we continue grinding. Finally, we add the sliced tomatoes and grind everything into a fresh, flavorful pepper sauce. Our traditional pepper is now ready. We set a portion aside and mix a little sliced onion into the remaining pepper. Now, it's time to serve. We dish the rice into the earthenware bowl with the fresh pepper. The fried sausage is added, followed by the fried egg and sardines. A little more fresh pepper is spooned over the top with some sliced onions for garnish. Every bite of this meal reminds us of our culture, our tradition, and the joy of sharing food with family. Before we eat, we say a prayer together and then enjoy this delicious meal as one big family.
God bless the farmer, the cook, the eater, and you watching us.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this traditional village cooking experience, please like the video, leave us a comment and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and become a member of Cook with Regina for more authentic Ghanaian village cooking adventures. See you in our next video. Stay blessed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.